We have heard of layberry juice. Layberry is the plant which is called as Hippophae rhamnoides in botany. Why it was named as Hippophae rhamnoides? The word hippo means horse and phi means shine. In the Greece, the leaves of layberry or sea buckthorn or Hippophae rhamnoides, they were used as horse fodder to have the shine of the coat of the horses. So it was coined the name as Hippophae. And why rhamnoides? Rhamnoides is named after another tree which is a spiny tree and called rhamnus in botany. So it also has the spines which are reminiscent of Rhamnus virgatus or Rhamnus other species. So it has been named as species Rhamnoides. It is called a sea buckthorn. Why? Because it also grows beside Mediterranean Sea along those salty, sandy sea coasts. So it was named as sea buckthorn. Buck means goat. Thorn means kanta. So it has buck horn like thorns. So having this thorny nature, you get the name sea buckthorn. In Ladakh, the plant has been used for brewing the layberry juice, as the fruit is storehouse of nutraceuticals. It is rich in vitamin C, rich in vitamin E, rich in vitamin K, and also rich source of vitamin B12. It has many useful minerals: copper, potassium, manganese, apart from many polyphenols and health promoting fatty acids. Sourness of the fruit is due to malic acid, and astringency is due to quinic acid. The leaves are also dried and they are made into herbal tea with health benefits. The dried leaves can be powdered and can used as herbal tea. In fact, the Defense Research Laboratory, LAY, they have developed the herbal tea out of the plant Hippophae rhamnoides, which is called sarvang in Ladakhi language, and this is called as amil in Uttarakhand in Hindi. This shrub is located along the Suru river even in Kargil. So Leh and Kargil districts are well known for the presence of Hippophae rhamnoides. But in Kashmir region also we have the Hippophae rhamnoides in the Kishan Ganga valley. At Dawar along the river Kishan Ganga and even at Chorvan or just at the base of the Habba Khatun mountain we see these shrubs, and they are also once they were growing even in the Warwan area, which has now seen the submergence due to hydroelectric project. The plant is also found in Tulel region, and this particular plant has been reported even from the Warwan Valley and Marwa Valley in the Marwa Forest division of the Kishtwar district. So, right from off the village in Warwan area up to Navapachi in Madhva Valley, we see the uh, patches of Hippophae rhamnoides growing along the side tributaries of the river Marusudar. So, this particular shrub is locally known as Kandafal because it has the spines and it is a fruit which is also eaten raw. The fruit can be developed into sherbets, the beverage, juice, and the leaves are used as the herbal tea. As it is the nitrogen fixing shrub, it also has the presence of Frankia bacteria which form the nodules. And so it is useful in improving the soil health. This particular shrub has very deep root system, so it is useful in soil stabilization works and for increasing the health of the soil. But in Warwan and the Marwa Valley, we have seen mostly people are using the twigs of this Hippophae rhamnoides either as fence, brushwood fence, or using it as a firewood. So the utility of its fruits for making juices and sherbets and leaves as herbal tea should also be promoted in Marwa and Warwan Valley of Jammu region. So in Jammu region also we have the layberry Hippophae rhamnoides, and this is the plant from the family to which our Kankoli belongs, Bankanka belongs, which is Elagnus umbellata, and we are more familiar with the health benefits of the fruits of this Elagnus umbellata also. So both these plants, Hippophae rhamnoides as well as Elagnus umbellata, belong to the same family, Elagnaceae. So earlier Hippophae rhamnoides was also named as Elagnus rhamnoides, and once it was also named as Osiris rhamnoides. Rhamnoides because of spinescent branchlets reminiscent of the Rhamnus virgatus. As we call the Kankoli or Bankanak, that in English is named as Oleaster tree, but Sea Buckthorn is the layberry Hippophae rhamnoides. But it's a very useful shrub, and lot of research stands carried out in China. In fact, largest producer of layberry fruits is China, and more than 30 lakh hectares is under the this shrub, out of which 25 lakh hectares area wild as well as cultivated is seen only in China, and then we have Mongolia also, 30,000 hectares area. In India we have 12,000 hectares area, and in Pakistan also we have 3,000 hectares area under the Sea Buckthorn Hippophae rhamnoides. So the tree talk, which is focusing on the usefulness of Hippophae rhamnoides Kandafal, need to be incorporated in our future afforestation plantation programs, for which forest department need to have a nursery so that germplasm can be multiplied. We can use the cuttings. Soft pots also contain oil about 2 to 3%, but the seed oil content is about 11%, and this Hippophae seed oil is useful in making many shampoos, cosmetics, and face packs and sunscreen lotions. So it is a shrub which has many uses, and this need to be promoted in the Warwan Marwa Valley of Kishtwar district.